Now, the topic before us is why the cybersecurity is so important. Cybersecurity is very important in today's digital age because of various reasons. First point is protection of sensitive data. The individuals, business organizations, and even the governments have a large amount of data to handle. They have sensitive and confidential data also, and they make use of internet to transmit data online. Cybersecurity measures are designed to protect this sensitive data from unauthorized access, theft, or misuse. Next point is cybersecurity is also important to ensure business continuity. If suppose there is a cyber attack on any business organization, then all of its operations will come to standstill. It will result into lost productivity, loss of customers, customer dissatisfaction, and lost revenue. So, by taking the cybersecurity measures, the organizations can reduce the chances of cyber attacks, and the organizations can ensure the continuity of their operations. Next point is protection of critical infrastructure. When we are talking about critical infrastructure, it means power grids, transport system, communication system, healthcare infrastructure. Suppose there is a cyber attack on power grid, then the electricity will not be available, which is to be used for each and every type of our activities, whether as a personal or in the industries or for lighting purposes. If there is an attack on healthcare, then the patients who are there in the hospitals will, all the data relating to them may be lost or may be known to the general public. If there is an attack on transport system, then the transport system will come to standstill because it will not be known which type of transport is going and which transport is coming. That is, if there is an attack on railway, then the railway authorities will not be in a position to get the knowledge which train is coming on the station and which train is going, and these trains may collide with one another, resulting into the loss of life of all many persons. So the critical infrastructure may be the target of cyber attacks. So cyber security measures are very necessary to protect the public and to reduce the chances of loss of life. Strong cybersecurity measures are essential for safeguarding these critical infrastructure. Next point is preserving brand reputation. If there is an attack on a company, then the public or the customers will talk about the company that there is a cyber attack. Then there is loss of brand value in the eyes of the public as well as the customers, because they say and believe that the company might not have taken the necessary steps to safeguard the information or the data or their operations from the cyber attacks. So, cyber security measures can help prevent such attacks and demonstrate to the customers that the organizations take security seriously. Next point is meeting legal and regulatory requirements. Many industries and sectors are subject to legal and regulatory requirements for cybersecurity, such as HIPAA for healthcare organizations in USA and GDPR for businesses that operate in European Union. Compliance with these regulations is important to avoid penalties and maintaining customer trust. In conclusion, we can say that cybersecurity is important to protect sensitive information, prevent financial losses, safeguard critical infrastructure, and comply with regulations. Thanks for watching. If you like our course, please spare some time to give a star rating to our course.